Welcome back to another episode of the WP Week, where we bring you the latest news and updates from the WordPress world and beyond. This week, we have a lot to cover, from WordPress 6.7 updates to exciting new community initiatives. So let's dive right in. Today's episode is sponsored by Omnisend and the WP Job Openings plugin. Boost sales effortlessly with Omnisend, a top-rated email and SMS marketing tool for e-commerce. First up, the WordPress 6.7 release squad has been revealed. The team is made up of 18 members, with Matt Mullenweg leading the charge as usual. David Baumwald takes on the role of release coordinator, and the core tech leads are Peter Wilson, sponsored by 10up, and Kira Schroeder, sponsored by GoDaddy. Automatic is backing 5 squad members, not counting Matt, while 10up is close behind with 4. Up next is a preview of WordPress's eagerly anticipated default theme, 2025, set to debut with version 6.7. This new theme promises to elevate your website design with a host of fresh features, including innovative patterns, versatile templates, and high-quality fonts. Leading the design is Beatriz Fialho, while Carolina Naimark and Juan Aldesoro spearhead the theme development. Prepare to enhance your WordPress experience with this dynamic and versatile new theme. The WordPress 6.6.2 maintenance release is on the horizon and scheduled for September 10, 2024. The release candidate, RC, should be available on September 4th. WordPress 6.7 is set to bring a nifty feature for photographers and creatives: automatic conversion of HEIC images to JPEG upon upload. This means HEIC images will be viewable and usable in WP Admin, even if the visitor's browser doesn't support HEIC. Gutenberg 19.0 has landed with 2 exciting experimental features: the highly anticipated UI prototype for connecting blocks and custom fields, and the quick edit functionality within the new Pages interface. This release also features several enhancements and bug fixes. Applications for the 3rd WordPress Contributor Mentorship Program cohort are now open. Interested individuals can apply to be either mentees or mentors. The application deadline is August 26, 2024. Speaking of community involvement, the test team is looking for new representatives. Nominations are open until September 23rd, so if you're passionate about testing, now's your chance to step up. The Make WordPress photo team is also in need of new team reps. If you're interested in contributing, submit your application by August 30th. Moving beyond WordPress, the Linux Foundation has welcomed the Open Model Initiative, which aims to promote the creation and adoption of high-quality, openly licensed AI models. Google has expanded its AI overviews in search to 6 more countries, introduced a save function, and is testing in-text links for web content. They've also rolled out their August 2024 core update, which focuses on enhancing the visibility of high-quality content and reducing the impact of low-value SEO-centric material. Lastly, Google's Gemini is set to gain a new deep research feature that compiles and synthesizes information from multiple sources, providing users with comprehensive insights. In security news, over 10,000 WordPress sites have been impacted by an arbitrary file read and delete vulnerability found in the InPost PL and InPost for WooCommerce plugins. While the InPost PL plugin has been patched, the InPost for WooCommerce plugin has been removed from the repository. Users are advised to switch to the InPost PL plugin. Another important update, the GiveWP plugin recently patched an unauthenticated remote code execution vulnerability. This issue allowed attackers to execute code remotely and delete files. If you're using GiveWP, be sure to update to the latest version as soon as possible. And lastly, WordFence has launched the WordPress Superhero Challenge with impressive rewards up for grabs. This challenge focuses on themes and plugins with over 5 million active installations and runs until October 14th, with the highest reward reaching up to $31,200. In community news, Michelle Frechette and Corey Mass have announced the Independent Plugin Alliance, a new initiative focused on co-promoting and marketing WordPress plugins. Exciting changes are also coming to the WordPress YouTube channel. Jamie Marsland is taking on the management of the channel, with plans to expand and enhance its presence. Keep an eye out for more engaging content. WP Tutes is launching its new academy and community soon. If you're interested, sign up quickly, as it will initially be open to a small number of early adopters. Meanwhile, WordPress VIP has introduced VIP Learn, a free, enterprise-focused developer training program designed to help developers differentiate their skills in enterprise WordPress development. For those who often translate WordPress.org themes and plugins, Felipe Elia from 10up has created a handy Google Translate browser extension that makes the process seamless. And for fans of the Query Loop block, exciting news. Key controls from the advanced Query Loop plugin have been merged into the core Query Loop block. This update is included in Gutenberg 19 and will roll out with WordPress 6.7. There's also an interesting piece on the history of WordPress told through the growth of the themes directory since its launch in 2008. WP Tavern is back after a brief hiatus with Jolsna J.E. joining as the new writer. This comes after the WP Hunger Games wrapped up a few months ago. Tutor LMS 3.0 is on the horizon, bringing a revamped course builder and quiz builder with new designs and features. Users can now enjoy greater flexibility with Taste WP's premium plan, which allows them to use any domain of their choice. This new feature opens up limitless possibilities for customizing your WordPress site to better fit your unique brand or project. In a fun tidbit, Aaron Jorbin shared that The Onion's website is now powered by WordPress. This humorous news outlet joins a growing list of prominent sites relying on WordPress for their web presence. Interestingly, Kamala Harris's official site also utilizes WordPress, showcasing the platform's versatility and reliability for diverse types of content and audiences. Finally, a big congratulations to Angoda Emmanuel, who has been awarded the Yoast Fund for his contributions to the WordPress community. That wraps up this week's episode of the WP Week, sponsored by Omnisend and the reliable WP Job Openings plugin. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review. Stay tuned for more WordPress news, and until next time, happy WordPressing.